MediaCentral 2026.4 is our latest long-term maintenance release. It's the most stable and feature-rich update yet, and a vital step in modernizing your newsroom and post-production workflows without risking what works. This release unifies Wolftech News and MediaCentral Cloud UX, introduces AI and automation that helps you tell stories faster, and lays the foundation for working with our new award-winning intelligence layer, Avid Content Core. We've added AI tools directly into MediaCentral to do the chores of journalism for you. With every word automatically transcribed, you no longer need to spend hours scrubbing through footage just to find a 10-second quote. And you can now quickly translate those transcripts into several languages. Summarize an interview or a long feed to get a succinct overview of the key points, so you can decide its relevance without having to watch the whole thing. Integration between Wolftech and MediaCentral Cloud UX unifies your planning and production teams into a single pane of glass experience that combines Wolftech's story research, planning, resourcing, and publishing with MediaCentral's powerful creative media workflows. Information entered at the pitch stage in Wolftech is now instantly available in the MediaCentral workspace, ensuring no detail is lost. For the first time, journalists can create and manage iNews stories directly from within the Wolftech planning tool, reducing the need to switch between applications. Everyone, from the reporter in the field to the director in the gallery, works from the same live information, keeping your whole organisation perfectly aligned. The rules engine and schedule editor are your silent production assistants, managing repetitive background tasks so your journalists and editors can spend more time on creative storytelling. Create custom rules to handle routine chores like moving media, creating backups, or archiving footage automatically. Select what triggers the job and whether it runs multiple times or just once. The new Avid Production Management module in this release is built on a faster SQL Engage-based engine, delivering the speed and reliability required to handle today's high-volume 24/7 news cycles. This update lets you upgrade your mission-critical tools to support new AI and cloud workflows without a costly or risky overhaul of your facility. It's also the essential bridge needed to adopt Avid Content Core cloud workflows while keeping your daily on-premises broadcast rock solid. Okta and Keycloak support across the full MediaCentral suite and multi-factor authentication for MediaCentral production management provide even better security for your essential systems. Journalists can now access MediaCentral Cloud UX without needing a VPN, keeping them connected wherever they are while bolstering system defenses. You can now do even more lightweight editing inside MediaCentral with eagerly anticipated features such as editing and scaling of audio waveforms and dip-to-color transitions, perfect for when full-craft editing isn't needed. And finally, MediaCentral Cloud UX now has a light mode option alongside the original dark mode. Discover how MediaCentral 2026.4 can modernize your newsroom and post-production workflows without disrupting what works.